Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. In our last class we had a discussion on complex plane. So within that the representation of the complex number in complex plane ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ we have discussion about complex numbers ಅಲ್ಲಿ conjugate and modulus of the complex numbers ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ. So conjugate is represented by z bar and the modulus of the complex number is mod of z is equal to square root of x square plus y square, and the conjugate of z is z bar is equal to x minus iy. So in that case we are interchanging the what sign of imaginary part. Okay, plus becomes minus and minus becomes plus. So in this class I am going to discuss about the very important topic in complex number is multiplicative inverse of the complex number. That was the discussion. Multiplicative inverse of complex number. The multiplicative inverse of the complex number z is equal to x plus iy is given by z inverse is equal to 1 over z is equal to conjugate of z, that is z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Modulus of z whole square. So how comes, so notice z inverse is 1 by z baribodu. So how comes z bar divided by modulus of z bar, mod of z square, z bar divided by mod of z square, we'll discuss here. So what they given, so we have z is equal to x plus iy, right? Z is equal to what? X plus iy. Then I'll write this as the inverse, right? The inverse thodana or multiplicative inverse. Inverse of z is z inverse of 1 by z ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, z inverse of 1 by z. Then write z inverse as it is. Z inverse is equal to 1 divided by x plus iy ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, x plus iy. Then z inverse is equal to, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್. Well, you simplify this kind of complex number, multiply and divide by conjugate of what? Denominator. What is the denominator? ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ x plus iy ಇದೆ. Corresponding conjugate is very good, x minus iy. Multiply and divide by and divide by x minus iy. x minus iy ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So what we left there, z inverse is equal to 1 divided by x plus iy ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, multiply by x minus iy at the same time divide by x minus iy. So this term seems to be not 1 into x minus iy as it is, it is not a problem. So what about denominator? Treat x as a and iy as b. A plus b into a minus b. What is the method formula here? A plus b into a minus b. So corresponding compact form is a square minus b square. So this becomes x minus iy whole divided by, this is x square minus iy whole square. X square minus iy whole square ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, this is x minus iy as it is divided by, this becomes x square minus, ಇದನ್ನ i square into y square ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, i square into y square. This is z inverse. And next simplification, z inverse is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, so numerator as it is x minus iy, right, as it is whole divided by, for this term x square minus i square ಇದೆ. Now tell me what is the value of i square? Very good, the value is minus 1. So this becomes x square minus of minus 1 of y square. So minus into minus obviously becomes plus. So z inverse is equal to x minus iy whole divided by x square plus y square. X square plus y square. So this is nothing but conjugate alva. Z is equal to x plus iy. What is z bar here? Z bar is x minus iy, and mod of z becomes is equal to root of x square plus y square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. For z is equal to x plus iy ಗೆ z bar is conjugate, z bar is equal to x minus iy, and mod of z is equal to root of x square plus y square, that is the modulus. Taking square on both sides, this becomes mod z square is equal to, here square root and square get cancelled, right? So this becomes root of x square plus y square whole square. This is nothing but x square plus y square, x square plus y square. So this is the method. So therefore z inverse is equal to, so this term is replaced by z bar divided by modulus of z whole square, mod of z whole square. This is z inverse. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ z inverse is equal to z bar divided by mod z whole square. So either you have to use direct formula or else go with this method. So both are valid. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? So I will repeat again, the multiplicative inverse of the complex number z is equal to x plus iy is given by z inverse is equal to 1 by z, and z is equal to z bar divided by mod of z whole square. And remember here z is not equal to 0, it is not equal to 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, I would like to discuss about some important problems on inverse of complex number. Example ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, find the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. It carries 3 marks question. We discuss. First question, find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number 2 minus 3i. So write the question. I repeat, find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number 2 minus 3i. Okay. Solution. Given, take the given complex number as z. So z is equal to 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3. So I will go with your two types methods here, two methods, first one and second one. First method ಅಲ್ಲಿ, method 1. So method 1 ನೋಡೋಣ. So previous ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So z inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Another method is multiply and divide by the conjugate. So inverse of the z is given by z inverse is equal to 1 by z. So 1 divided by 2 minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. To simplify that term, we are multiplying divide by corresponding conjugate of the denominator. Okay, discuss method 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. The inverse of z is equal to 2 minus 3i is given by z inverse, right? Z is inverse is equal to 1 divided by z. 1 divided by z. So z inverse is equal to 1 divided by. Now tell me what is the z here? 2 plus 2 minus 3i idalva. So 2 minus 3i. So how to simplify this term? We are multiplying divide by conjugate of 2 minus 3i. 2 minus 3i. Now tell me what is the conjugate of 2 minus 3i? Very good, that is 2 plus 3i. Multiply and divide by conjugate of 2 minus 3i, that is, I repeat again, multiply and divide by what? Conjugate by 2 plus 3i. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We are multiply and divide by the conjugate of denominator. 2 plus 3i ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡಿ divide ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So z inverse becomes 1 over 2 minus 3i as it is, multiply and divide by, once multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i. So 1 into 2 plus 3i is as it is. So therefore Z inverse is equal to 2 plus 3i as it is. Come to the denominator. So just observe the denominator. illede nodi 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i. This seems to be a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು? a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ b ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3i ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ i ಇಂಟು 3 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆದರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ z ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3i ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತನಾದರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಟರ್ನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಸೊ i ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ z ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3i ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 minus 9 into minus 1. I square value minus 1. So therefore z inverse is equal to 2 plus 3i whole divided by 4 plus 9. Minus into minus becomes 9. What is the 4 plus 3? Sorry, 4 plus 9 becomes 13. Therefore z inverse is equal to 2 plus 3i divided by 13. 2 plus 3i divided by 13. So separate real and imaginary part here. Illen badina z inverse is equal to 2 by 13 plus I times of 3 by 13. This is our required inverse of the complex number z. Z inverse is equal to 2 divided by 13 plus I times of what? 3 divided by 13. So this is the required inverse of the given complex number. Required inverse of z is very complex number is 2 minus 3i is 2 plus 2 by 13 plus I times of 3 divided by 13. Items of 3 divided by 13. This is the required inverse of the given complex number. This is the method 1 ಆಯಿತು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಸ್ z ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 over z. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? ಇಯರ್ ಐ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ z ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು z ಬಾರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ z ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. I'll take this as method 2. In method 2, so method 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ the inverse of the given complex number, what is z is equal to 2 minus 3i is given by, so now tell me what is the formula? Z inverse is equal to z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Z bar divided by modulus of z whole square. Okay, now tell me what is the z bar? This is the conjugate, right? Now z bar is equal to, what is the z ಏನಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ? 2 minus 3i ಇದೆ. Now tell me conjugate of z ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Z bar is equal to 2 plus 3i. 2 plus 3i. Just interchange imaginary part, sign of imaginary part. Okay. Now this becomes, so this is z bar and mod of z whole square is equal to square root of, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Just one modulus of z for not. So generally we have the formula mod of z, when we have z is equal to x plus iy, mod of z is equal to root of x square plus y square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. root of x square plus y square. Just substitute in the value. Z mod of z is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 square plus minus 3 whole square. Just compare with this one. Z is equal to 2 minus 3i ಇದೆ. So compare with the general form x plus iy compare ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so what we left there, x is equal to what, 2, and imagine what, y is equal to minus 3. This is root of 4 plus, now tell me, minus 3 whole square, sorry. Minus 3 whole square is again minus 3 into minus 3. So minus into minus becomes plus, 3 3 is 9. So total we left it here root of 13 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So mod z is equal to root of 13. Therefore, which implies mod of z whole square ತೊಗೊಂತೀನಿ, taking squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides, what we left there? Square root of 13 whole square. Here square root and square get cancelled. So what we left there? Modulus of z whole square is equal to 13. Modulus of z whole square is equal to 13. Therefore, required inverse of z is z inverse of z inverse is equal to, just substitute z bar and modulus of z whole square. Z bar ಏನಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ 2 plus 3i whole divided by 13. That is, we can separate real part as well as the imaginary part. Real part becomes 2 divided by 13 plus I times of 3 divided by 13. So this is the required complex number. Just observing both the method, we have the same complex number, right? So z inverse is equal to 2 divided by 13 plus I into 3 divided by 13. So whereas in the case of second method, so z inverse is equal to 2 divided by 13 plus I times of 3 divided by 13. So both will get the same number. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the second problem. The same thing, find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number 4 minus 3i. So write the question, I repeat, find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number 4 minus 3i. So first take the given number solution. Given z is equal to what was the number, 4 minus 3i. So we will solve by both the methods, method 1 as well as the method 2. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು convenient ಅದು, so which method is convenient for you, so you can follow that method. Clear? Okay, I will solve this problem by both method, method 1 as well as method 2. Method 1. Now tell me, so how to find in method 1? Very good. So take the given complex number as z, then inverse of the z is given by 1 over z. Right, that is z inverse is equal to 1 by z. The inverse of the given complex number z is equal to 4 minus 3i is given by z inverse is equal to 1 by z. Z inverse is equal to 1 by z. So this is nothing but z inverse is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i. Then how to simplify this term? We are multiplying dividing by what? Conjugate of 4 minus 3i. Now tell me, conjugate of 4 minus 3i is 4 plus 3i. Conjugate, or you can write that as z is equal to, so in the complex number z is equal to 4 minus 3i. So conjugate of z is denoted by z bar is equal to 4 plus 3i. Multiply and divide by conjugate of the number. So here multiply and divided by conjugate of 4 minus 3i, that is multiply and divided by or divide by. So what? Conjugately 4 plus 3i. 4 plus 3i. So what will left then? Z inverse becomes Z inverse is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 3i into what will left there? 4 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 3i. Multiply and divide by conjugate. Right? So now this reduces as Z inverse is equal to 4 plus 3i into 1 is 4 plus 3i. Then look at the denominator. Again it seems to be a plus b into a minus b. So what is the compact form? Very good. A square minus b square. Here a is 4, that becomes 4 square minus 3i whole square. Now reduce as Z inverse is equal to 4 plus 3i, right, as it is, whole divided by, this becomes 16 minus 3 square into I square. 3 square into I square. So this is 4 plus 3i. Now tell me what is the value of I square is minus 1. So this becomes 16 minus 9 into minus 1. Now this reduces as 4 plus 3i divided by 16 plus 9. So 16 plus 9 nothing but 25. This becomes Z inverse is equal to 4 plus 3i divided by 25. Now separate real and imaginary part. So Z inverse is equal to 4 by 25 plus I times of what? 3 divided by 25. 3 divided by 25. So what is the required number therefore? Required complex number, required inverse of complex number, right? Inverse, directly, required inverse is Z inverse is equal to 4 divided by 25 plus I times of 3 by 25. This is a required thing. This is by method 1. So what about method 2? So new method 2, how to solve this equation using method 2 or this problem using method 2? So very simple, we have the formula Z inverse is equal to Z bar divided by modulus of Z whole square. Okay, second, Z bar divided by modulus of Z whole square. Therefore inverse of the given complex number is method 2. Inverse of the or multiplicative inverse of the given complex number is Z inverse is equal to Z bar divided by mod Z whole square. Z bar divided by mod Z whole square. So throughout this section we discuss about only multiplicative inverse. Now what is the Z bar is equal to anything upon okay? So Z is 4 minus 3i, corresponding Z bar is equal to 4 plus 3i. Because Z is equal to 4 minus 3i. Compare with here, Z is equal to x plus iy. What will left there? X is equal to 4 and y is equal to what? Minus 3. And mod of Z is equal to square root of mod of Z is equal to what is the formula? Root of x square plus y square. Root of x square plus y square. Simplify the terms. Substitute x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. So what will left there? 4 square plus minus 3 whole square. You can write it. Mod of Z is equal to root of x square plus y square. So mod Z is equal to root of 16 plus 9. Very good. 16 plus 9 agutalpa. Therefore root of 16 plus 9 is root 25. This is nothing but 5 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 25ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. Because here we need to find modulus of z whole square. That's why we'll take mod z as root 25. Because when I take the squaring on both sides, in right hand side, square root and square get cancelled, right? Square root and square get cancelled. Directly we left with 25. Therefore, mod z whole square is equal to root of 25 whole square. This is nothing but 25. That is mod z 25. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Therefore, the required multiplicative inverse of the given complex number is, you can write here, the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number is z inverse is equal to, now substitute here z bar as well as mod of z whole square. What is z bar? 4 plus 3i divided by mod of z whole square is 25. So z inverse is equal to 4 by 25 plus I times of 3 divided by 25. This is the method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? This is the method used to find the inverse of the given complex number. So method 1 and method 2 ಎರಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. So whichever is convenient for you, just follow that method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Write down all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the third problem. Find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number root 5 plus 2i. So previously in both the cases, real part as well as the imaginary parts are integers, but here we have irrational number, that is root 5. Here the real part is root 5 and imaginary part is 2. So write the problem first. I repeat, find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number root 5 plus 2i. Given solution, given z is equal to root 5 plus 2i, or I into 2 or 2i both are same. Okay, then how to find inverse of this complex number? So we'll solve by both the methods, method 1 as well as method 2. Method 1, the multiplicative inverse or inverse of z is equal to root 5 plus 2i is z inverse is equal to what? 1 divided by z. So 1 by z nothing but z, just substitute there. So what we left there? 1 divided by root 5 plus 2i. Alva? Root 5 plus 2i. So now z inverse becomes 1 divided by root 5 plus 2 into I. First multiply and divide by, what is the method? First method is, here we are multiply and divide by conjugate. Alva? We are multiply and divide by, so direct barindra artha aguttallva? So multiply and divide by conjugate. What is the conjugate of root 5 plus 2i? Very good. Root 5 minus 2i. Multiply and divide by root 5 minus 2i. Root 5 minus 2i. So z inverse becomes 1 divided by root 5 plus 2i as it is, multiplied by root 5 minus 2i, at the same time divided by root 5 minus 2i. So what it becomes here? Just denominator is obviously it is a plus b into a minus b, right? So what about numerator? Just multiply by 1. So we left the same number. Z inverse is equal to 1 times of root 5 minus 2 is root 5 minus 2i whole divided by, again, a plus b into a minus b. Now tell me, what is the compact form? Root 5 whole square, very good, minus 2i whole square. That becomes root 5 whole square minus 2i whole square, minus 2i whole square. Therefore z inverse is equal to root 5 minus 2i divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ square root and square get cancelled, right? So what we left there? 5. Or you can write here root 5 into root 5 becomes 5, because square root of 5 means here whole power is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 becomes 1. Therefore square root of 5 into square root of 5 is 5 minus, separate this terms 2 square into I square. Z inverse is equal to root 5 minus 2i whole divided by 5 minus 4 times of minus 1. That is, the 2 square is 4 and I square value minus 1. Z inverse is equal to root 5 minus 2i divided by 5 plus 4. What is the sum of 5 and 4? This is 9. So Z inverse is equal to root 5 minus 2i divided by 9. So Z inverse becomes root 5 by 9 minus I times of, you can root 5, sorry, 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Okay, minus I times of 2 by 9. So ಈ ತರನಾದರೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, or else I'll write in another form. Z inverse is equal to root 5 divided by 9 as it is, plus ಬರೀತೀನಿ I times of minus 2 by 9 ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? I times of minus 2 by 9. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? So imaginary part is minus 2 by 9 and the real part is root 5 divided by 9. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? This is the method to find the inverse of the or multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. Okay. So what about method 2? We discuss method 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now tell me. So what is the formula? Formula ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? Z inverse is equal to z bar divided by mod of z whole square ಅಲ್ವಾ? Z bar divided by mod of z whole square. Method 2. The multiplicative inverse of the complex number. Z is equal to what we have here, root 5 plus 2i is Z inverse is equal to Z bar divided by mod Z whole square. Z bar divided by mod Z whole square. Next step is simplification. So now tell me, Z bar is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ root 5 minus 2i, because just interchange the sign of imaginary part. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. So here root 5 write as it is, real part is as it is, imaginary part takes its opposite sign, plus becomes minus, and mod of z is equal to, formula ಬರೀಬೇಕಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ z is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So when we have z is equal to x plus iy, conjugate is x minus iy, and the modulus of z is root of x square plus y square. For this one, x is root 5 and y is 2. X is root 5 and y is 2. Now mod of z is equal to root 5 whole square plus 2 square. This becomes 5 plus 4, right? 5 plus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, because square root of 5 and whole square is there, square root and square get cancelled, here we left with 5, so therefore root of 9 ಆಯ್ತು. This is mod z, but we required mod of z whole square, right? We required mod of z whole square. Now tell me, so mod of z whole square becomes, very good, that is plus 9, because square root and square get cancelled there. Therefore mod of z whole square is equal to square root of 9 whole square. So this reduces as 9. Therefore mod of z square is equal to 9. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? This is the method. Therefore, multiplicative inverse is z inverse is equal to, just substitute z bar and mod of z whole square. What is z bar here? Root 5 minus 2i whole divided by 9. Separate the real part as well as imagined part. Root 5 divided by 9. So to simplify this as plus everything. Plus I times of minus 2 divided by 9. This is the required multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಮೆಥಡ್ 1 and ಮೆಥಡ್ 2. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Dear students, so in this class we had a discussion on multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. So method artha aithalwa? What is the first method? So when the given z, the inverse of z is given by z inverse is equal to 1 divided by z. So how to simplify that term? We are multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator. Then separate the real and imaginary part after simplification. This is method 1. So what about method 2? We have direct formula. Z inverse is equal to z bar, that is conjugate of z divided by modulus of z whole square. I repeat again, z bar divided by mod of z whole square. Artha aita makla? So in our next class we are going to discuss about polar representation of the complex number. So take one problem on the multiplicative inverse. Take this as a homework problem. Please write down. So in our next class I am going to discuss about very important method, represent the given complex number in polar form. It is very interesting topic. We will discuss in next class. Thank you all.